So I frame out the thesis. I've given you 3 very, very important points. Number 1, stock split. And this is a 3 for 1. Woohoo! Number 2, we have a stock buyback. Taking place in which month? Not going to tell you. You're going to watch yesterday's video. All right. And number 3, which I believe is the Trojan horse. All right. Acquisition of Twitter. You know what that means? He could mobilize Twitter fans to buy into Tesla stock, or to buy into Tesla car, or to buy into Tesla space, or buy into SpaceX, or buy into whatever thing.